Okay, guys, so I show you what I did today with my trades. I took over 20 trades and I've lost a little bit more money, like $20 overall. And basically, the trading were not so good because basically I've been taking so many trades. Every time I saw the charts, I saw an opportunity to go long or short. So I basically changed my mind a lot of times during the trades, but that's what my strategy actually says I should be doing. Like, yeah, changing my mind very often. Like I could be longing or I could be shorting in a matter of minutes. So I'll show you what I did in this. I mean, today for the positions I took. So you can see here basically lots of positions I took. Like I will just try to show you here. I mean, as clear as possible. As soon as I took so many positions over here, sold over here. This was a loss, and then here the same, just close to break even. Then made a little profit over here and I just sold here, so not too much of a profit. I was seeing it trembling down, it trembled down, and then it bounced back. I went long over here. I stood on it and then just closed the trade over here. At the time I was here, it was at the opening time of the markets. I was back to break even, like 2,157 euros. As you can see back down here, it was 2,157 euros. But then I kept trading. I saw the market still going up, so I went back in. And also I had to short it back in when I saw this big red candle. So at the time of that, it was at around like 2 hours after the market opened when it was right here. This candle, big old red candle, just scared the shit out of me. So I sold. Then I saw it coming back up. I went up. Then I saw it coming back short. I went short. Then I saw it coming back up. I went up. Lost a lot of money because I actually kept trading and a little bit of over trading. So I went long over here again, and I had to close the trade here because it just wasn't going on. So the main issue is that I keep heading when I see, I mean, I add to my positions. Like if I see a winning position, I add to my winning position, and I don't add to my losing positions. So if I see a trade just skyrocketing, I tend to add to it. But it seems like today it was not a really good day. So yeah, I've lost $20, and this is what happens when you trade. So it's pretty self-explanatory. I've also tried to trade with the back testing, so I'll show you my back testing results in a second. Mm, I will show you the back testing results. It was pretty simple. Just hold on. So the back testing results were pretty interesting because I actually managed to complete the whole month for August, crossing September, and it was a profit overall with a 20k $20,000 bankroll. It made me $12,000, $361 profit because I took this massive trade over here. I also had some big losing days like here, here, and here. You can see it. Some days where I didn't make any money, and there's days when I made so much money. So it's pretty self-explanatory at the same time. Same thing happened for September, where when I started trading at the beginning of September, you can see I actually started making some profits and took a big loss over here. Sometimes it's like my mind just tilts out of it and I start taking trades out of nowhere that I should not be taking, and that actually destroys me. Same thing over here. It says minus $3,000, but it was minus 7,000 because basically the trade I took here, it actually started bouncing crazy and the price just fell down. I have no stop loss when I backtest. So when I backtest, it just trembles down and it destroys it. So I have to change their mind quickly and try to get into the gist of the trade. So it's just the way it works. Like basically, if it was real money, probably I would have closed the trade and not taken the trade and wait for a new entry or things like that. But it's just the way it works. You see, I because when I'm in live trading like this, and I'll show you with the other screen, when I'm live trading uh, with something like this, you can see that if I am live trading, I am actually seeing the price moving. So actually, that's a blessing and a curse at the same time because it helps you to stay in the trade, but at the same time, scares the shit out of me to making me actually get out of the trade. If you see the trades I took yesterday, there's less trades overall, but it's pretty much the same. Yeah, like today, there's like twice the trades I took yesterday. because I saw twice the options. So it's pretty self-explanatory, as I was saying. And you could think, well, if you went long here, you could have just stayed long and the trade would have just, kept going and it would have been more of a relaxed way of trading. But I'm not into a relaxed way of trading. What I'm looking for is a way of trading that actually allows me to basically just take more trades because I want to stay in shape. I want to keep my mind sharp. I want to be into as many trades as possible. So that allows me to basically take as many trades as possible and make a profit overall, and so be skilled as a trader. Also, in the back testing, it's been 1 month, 2 months, and 3 months profitable. So I look forward back testing and playing in for the fourth month, hoping for it to also be profitable and close it at the profit. I'm not looking for changing the strategy. I'm just looking for still having the results of making profits. And I'm looking for at the end of the 90 days, just raising it up to 10K with real money and just see what happens. If the swings are like 20 euros with normal with the actual contracts I'm actually using, it will be like 200 euros in a day. And if it's like a profit of 50 euros in a day, that would be 500 euros in a day. So it's just the way the strategy works. You get into it and then you get in, and get out, get in, get out. So you get out because if you start losing immediately, you need to have a mental stop loss, and in every single trade is at the mercy of your intuition. Basically, there's no black and white strategy. There's no black and white theory. All I'm doing is just trying to develop my instinct. I didn't get any instinct today. It was pretty like if my instinct was completely gone. So I was in the gist of just taking trades, taking trades, taking trades. But that's not the way it works. So I will try to regulate myself a little bit more tomorrow, but it's just the way the strategy works. Since I've back tested it and also taking trades like this, I just have to stay a little bit more centered into understanding if it's right to get in or if it's right to get out. I believe that actually only comes with experience. So I'm looking forward getting more experience overall and just bringing it to something like 1 year experience with backtesting. If I get to 1 year experience with backtesting, that will be probably will give me a better chance to be a better trader. So that's the gist of it. And obviously, if I manage to stay break even up until the 90 days with my real account and also with the backtesting, I can manage to stay profitable. So that's the way it works. Thank you for watching. See you later.